Hi everyone. In today's session, we will discuss about step-by-step execution in Selenium IDE. Okay, so let's launch Chrome browser, and from here, let's launch Selenium IDE. Okay, so we click on create a new project, and the name is automation testing. Click on OK button. Okay, so first of all, I will rename this test case as test case 1, step-by-step execution. Okay, so guys, today we will discuss majorly about this button. Okay, this stands for step by step execution. Okay, so by default this is enabled because there is no command in this area. Okay, once we have commands in this area, this button will be enabled. Okay, so we have to record few commands in this area. For that we need to record one scenario. Let me record scenario. Okay, we just record some Google search scenario. Click on record button, and I'm gonna enter paste URL google.com. Click on start recording. So it will launch Chrome browser, google.com open. I will search here Wikipedia, and now I will click on this Wikipedia link. It will open Wikipedia website. So have a look. We are on Wikipedia website. Okay. So we are verifying title of this page as assert. Right. Okay. So I'm just done with the single scenario of Wikipedia. Let me close the window, and let me stop the recording. Okay, so we have recorded one scenario. What we are doing in this scenario, we are just opening google.com and searching Wikipedia, and we open Wikipedia page. Okay, so and verifying that we are on Wikipedia page by verifying title of that page. Okay, so this is the scenario. Now the point is, have a look. Now we have commands in this area. This button got enabled. This is called step over current command. This button you use to execute these commands one by one. Okay, let me show you. uh, we have to run these commands. I will click on this element. Have a look. It's running commands one by one. First of all, it executed line number 1. It's open browser. Okay, and now if we click on this element again, it will execute the line number 2 and move to line number 3. Have a look. So it maximizes the window. Now line number 3 is click on this search box. Okay, and let me click on line number 3. Now line number 4 says type Wikipedia in search box. Have a look. Till now search box is empty. Okay, let me run this. Let me click on this element again. Now it will type Wikipedia in search box. Have a look. We have Wikipedia in search box. Now line number 5 is pressing enter key. Okay, let me press this button again. It will press enter key. Have a look. So we as soon as we press the enter key, we got Google results. Okay, now we are at line number 6. Line number 6 is clicking on this first element, first Google search result. Okay, so we execute this command by clicking on this element. Have a look. So it clicked on that Wikipedia link. Now next command is assert title. This command is verifying title of this page, Wikipedia-Wikipedia. Let me click on this element again. So it will execute the command. Okay, so have a look. Command is executed. It's a backend command. Now next command is close command. It will close this browser. Let me execute this command. So have a look. This browser is closed. Okay. So this button is used to execute all the commands in this area one by one. Okay. As you know that when we use these first two buttons, this button run all test and run test. When we click these buttons, these buttons just start the execution without any interruption or any pause of execution. Okay, but the third button is used to execute these commands one by one. Okay, and if you want to see the results of these commands, you can switch to that browser window. Okay, and you can do that. Guys, that's all for this session, for this command, step over command. Okay, in the next session we will discuss a text execution speed button. That's all for today. Thank you.